Welcome to our ranch. On our last video, you saw us cut down the trees that were dying that pose a threat to our cabin. On this video, you will get a front row view direct from my tractor seat as I grab these trees using my grapple and move them to the other side of our clearing. I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as we enjoyed completing this project. Well, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna grab the tractor and pick these pieces up and get them out of here. This was actually a much taller tree than the one we just cut down, but it's a dead tree. Guys. One more piece to go. Got that big piece out. We got this other piece we can get. There we go. small ones, I'm gonna try to bundle them all up together with one strap where it tightens on all of them. Then I can pull them out of here and then pick them up with the grapple hook. We're gonna go with these 3 larger ones first, since they're right on the edge. So let's see if we can drag these rascals out now. Go, guys. That worked. Kind of like I needed it to. Now we're gonna grab them on this end over here. Now let's open them. One trying to get out of there. You guys see that? We're gonna grab it again. Finding out our chain was in a bind. Let's see where we're at with this now. It got right back in a bind. It's been one time. Let's see what's going on here. I don't want to take it all the way apart. Now let's turn it back down.
On this side of the cabin, we just have one more left. Everything's been down. The other 2 are already moved to the other side there, and these other 2 are right here. We do have to clean up this side here, but we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 trees right there. One more on this side. You see all of the things we cut here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there, there, and then there. No damage to the cabin. Perfect. And then right here, this one we're gonna cut that one too. And this one has already been cut, so we just need to drag that out and then we're good. And then we're gonna go to the other side. This one is the last one that we're gonna be cutting right here because it's also dead. You can see there's brown on the side and it's just way too near to the cabin. So we don't want to take that chance. So we're already cutting here anyway, so might as well cut that. And then this one right here. And then as you guys can see, it's starting to open up really, really well here. We used to not have any space here. We used to only have like a very small area here. And then now look, once we cut those, it's really gonna open up. We're gonna put our workshop right there. It's like a 10 by 12 storage shed. We're gonna turn into our wood shop or workshop, and then we're gonna be building our outhouse here. As you guys can see now, we can see more. Once we cleaned it up, we're gonna see really, really well. We're gonna clean this up right here, and I think that would be very, very pretty. Clean this up. Okay. Very nice.
Losing the daylight, finally got the saw fixed. And we're winching up our 6 tree now. We got to make sure we pull it the right direction so that it doesn't fall toward the cabin. So we have to kind of coach it along a little bit. And then I've got 3 to 4 more to cut on this side and 1 more on the back side before we call it a day. Is that it? Is that it?
No, there's more.
It's going in. It's going in. It's going in.
Oh.
Press out. I'll pull on it.
It's saying out, but it's going in.
All right, do in.
Okay.
Is that all of it?
That's good, baby.
Okay, is it at the end?
It's going out, but it's going in.
Okay, is it at the end of the spool?
Yes.
Okay, that's why. Go ahead, do it in. We're gonna reposition you over here. Okay. So you're gonna get on the side over there.
Huh?
I'll show you. I'll show you what I'm talking about, baby. Let's get this stood up.
Okay.
Come on, come on. Okay, I want you to go around. I'll show you where to come in at. It's got gas, sweetie. Sweetie, it's got gas. What gear is it in? What gear is it in? Okay, the engine has to be running while you're doing the winch. It weakens the battery if it's not running. Hold on, hold on, hold on. All right, come on. Okay. All right, pull your winch in. That's good. That's good. It's up against this tree. Give me some slack. That's good. Go ahead, winch in. That's good. Yes, I can see. Pull it, babe. Back up. Back up. That's good. That's good. Hold it. Stop. Hold on. Don't do anything.
Is it already cut?
It's partially cut, sweetie. I got to see if I ran out of fuel. I need to do 1 more cut. Just hold what you got. I think it's out of fuel, babe. You can let go of it right now. Just pull in. It'll be all right. It's already falling toward where we want it to fall. It just won't release because I don't have the back of it cut off. You can pull forward. It's not going to do anything. Pull forward. Where are my glasses at, baby? Yeah, thank you, baby. Yeah, It's bone dry. Which one's next? These three up here? Okay. Need my ladder for this. To be on the safe side, baby, we can get here early morning and I can do it